Town is busy today.
Hello, everyone. We're here for the safety check.
Cones are a warning. Be careful. Don't come here. Cones just slow us down. Stay safe, Bruner, and watch for wet cement. Going all the way around will take forever.
There! Path is clear!
Follow me! I found a shortcut! Whoa! I am stuck! Oh no! Stop spinning your wheels, Micky! Jin! Help! Help! Micky is stuck!
Rescue team, let's roll!
I am scanning the concrete's viscosity. Go! Whoa! Yeah! Viscosity is increasing. It is turning into a solid.
Gotcha, Micky! Hold on tight!
I'm sinking too! My tires have no traction! Traction is the grip your tires need to pull. I've got the traction pads! Perfect, Helly! Thank you!
Activating! Stabilizer jacks! Ah!
The pads spread the force so Roy won't sink.
Mega winch! PUL!
I'm moving! I'm moving!
Micky is a concrete statue!
I'm sorry. I moved the cones and made a mess. Oh, his backup alarm is broken. Titan, stop! The wall is falling. I've got it! Ah! Get back! It's not safe! The wall has lost its structural integrity. We need to build buttresses to hold it up.
A little to the left, Bruner!
First support is in place. Hey!
It's stable! Great job, Bruner!
We need to get your safety sounds fixed. Always respect the safety cones. Bye-bye. Thanks for saving me. Whoops. It tickles! Always check your vehicle's safety sounds.
Safety cones are your friends. Never move them.
If a friend is in trouble, call for help. Always pay attention to your surroundings. Today, we learned about science and safety. That was a busy day. One small mistake can turn into a big emergency. We are home. We are home. See you next time. Be safe. Safety first.